In this video, I'm going to show you how to zoom in and out on YouTube using Chrome, and these shortcuts work fast for making the entire website easier to see. That means the video player, the text, the buttons, and everything else on the page can be resized in just a second. This is really useful if the screen feels too small, if you want to focus on details, or if you just prefer a larger view while browsing YouTube. If this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick tech guides. Alright, let's jump right in. First, let's talk about zooming in. If you're on Windows, press Ctrl and the plus key. If you're on a Mac, press Command and the plus key. Every time you use that shortcut, Chrome increases the zoom level, so YouTube and the rest of the page get larger. You can press it more than once if you want to zoom in even further. Now let's go the other direction and zoom out. On Windows, press Ctrl and the minus key. On a Mac, press Command and the minus key. This makes the page smaller, which is helpful if things look too enlarged or if you want to fit more content on the screen at once. Just like zooming in, you can repeat the shortcut until the page looks right. If you want to return everything back to the default size, use the reset shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl and 0. On a Mac, press Command and 0. This instantly brings the zoom level back to 100%, which is the normal view in Chrome. It's a great shortcut to remember, especially if you've zoomed too far in or out and want to fix it immediately. There's also another quick method that many people find even easier. Hold down Ctrl on Windows or Command on Mac, then scroll your mouse wheel up to zoom in or down to zoom out. This gives you a more flexible way to adjust the size gradually instead of jumping in larger steps. If you use a trackpad, you may still be able to zoom with pinch gestures depending on your device and browser settings. One important thing to keep in mind is that this zoom setting affects the entire website interface, not just the YouTube video itself. So if you zoom in, the player, thumbnails, menus, comments, and page text all become larger. That can be really helpful for readability, but if the layout starts to feel awkward, just use the reset shortcut to go back to normal. If your goal is to make YouTube easier to read or easier to navigate, these Chrome Zoom shortcuts are the fastest way to do it. No extensions, no settings menu, and no extra tools required. Just a few simple keyboard shortcuts, and you're done. If this video helped you out, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more easy tutorials just like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.